My name is Ritchy Flo, and this is another dick tip.
Here you go, another dick tip. It's time for a dick tip.
Here are 3 ways to actually listen when somebody is talking to you. Number 1, put down your fucking phone. Put it down. Leave it alone. Don't look at it. Listen to the person. Look at them. Don't look at your phone. Put your phone down. Phone bad. Number 2, look at the person while they're talking to you. Like, look at them, actually. Like, in their eyes. Look at their eyes and look at them while they're talking to you. Number 3, think about what the person is saying to you and try to make it make sense in your mind. This is called listening. I think you got it. That was 3 tips on how to actually listen to someone when they are talking to you.